Hello guys.
Hi
Okay, welcome back to another episode of travel vlogs. Okay, for today, right? Okay, as you all know, COVID-19, we are not allowed to travel. Okay, so we are going to the closest thing to traveling. Okay, as you can see behind us. Okay, we are going overseas. Okay, which is overseas. Okay, because we can't actually go to another country, and we actually found online that actually you can take a boat. Okay, to places like St. John's Island and Kusu Island, all this. Okay, and it's a bit of traveling, and today is a weekday. There's quite a bit of crowd over here, if you can see. Okay, and one tip for you guys, for those who are driving here, okay, try not to aim for the car park over here. Okay, because we reached here about 30 minutes before. Okay, and there wasn't any parking. Okay, and there were a few cars waiting for lots as well. Okay, my tip for you, okay, take the train. Okay, or if you are lazy as me, okay, try to come earlier. Okay, so we'll show you more about the trip.
Yeah. By the way, let's say if you are getting your deal off Klook, right? You can redeem the tickets from here. Yeah. And if you are getting the snack pack as well, right? You can redeem it from here. The first shop. Yep.
Yeah. So there's some tips for you. Okay, we'll be showing you around. Okay, so let's go. And over here, this is the causeway to the other island. Okay, because this place is actually there are 3 islands that merge into one. Okay, and we're going to show you the other island. So right now we're going to Kusu Island. Okay, it's an island where there's a lot of turtles and there's a temple over there. So we're going there to check it out. Okay, so the ferry from St. John's Island actually goes over to Kusu Island at Okay, and at 2:43, okay, we saw the person keeping the steps and all this and getting on the boat. And right now it's just 2:45 straight. So for those of you who are here, right, okay, don't expect those 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you know, like allowance and all this. They really,
Live on time.
yeah, they really live on
Yeah.
time.